This is our final project. I'm Ryan. I did the weather control portion of this project, which manages the wind in the simulation and pushes the drones around based on the current wind vector. And I implemented this via a singleton class. So there is one weather control instance at all times that receives updates from simulation model, so just how much time has passed, and uses that to update the wind vector. And then all of the drones in the simulation, so if we go here, it can pull from that simulation or from that weather control instance, get the current wind vector and move along with that current wind vector. And so you can see, since it's a singleton, we have another drone that is also moving in sync because it's getting the same wind. And it will also, if we were to schedule a trip, it continues to affect the drone as it is on a delivery. And so you can see it getting pushed a little bit instead of traveling just in a straight line. And as it's trying to go down this path. But yeah, that is the weather control portion of our project.
Alrighty. My feature was the Cypher integration and creation of the Sky Reaper entity. That's the big UFO in the center. This basically just adds encryption to the packages, and it adds a adversary that tries to unencrypt the packages and steal them away. This is important because in a lot of real life scenarios where we have important mail, people try to intercept it and steal the information. So we have encryption on a lot of information now. I implemented the package encryption, with the package encryption decorator, which just adds some encryption attributes to the base package. I also created a new observer class, which is the iEntity observer. This is just so that the iPublishers now send their pointers to the iObserver entity. So now if we want to demo this, we can just see that we had the different encryption types earlier. Helix Vortex is the one we chose. And now if we schedule a delivery, we'll see that once the drone comes within range of the Sky Reaper will engage with it, and then just depending on the probability, the package will either be lost, stolen by the Sky Reaper, or it'll be kept safe and the delivery continues. In that case, it was taken. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tian Le, and my extension was the shipping priority. When scheduling a package, I provided the option to schedule the package as no rush, standard, or expedited. There is also a shipping queue to hold the queue and display the information on the right bottom. It is so important because it aligns with the actual needs in the real world. We are able to provide the customized service for our delivery service. And I used design pattern for I used the state pattern for this extension. Basically, the three priority are the three states. And for the demo part, I just you can schedule a package as standard first, and it will not show on the shipping queue because it is removed from the queue once there is a drone heading to it. But if you're scheduling the second package as no rush, it will show in the queue. And you can also change the priority for the slow package to the expedited or the standard. And the drone will head into this slow package next.
Hi, I'm Alex. I did the Data Collection Manager feature, and this feature is important to track the key stats of the simulation. It provides the ability to perform data analysis on the different aspects, and you can monitor performance of the different entities, or this could allow for future analytics capabilities to be built. And I created the data collection class by using the singleton pattern, where the simulation model and the different entities that are tracked are all given the data collection instance, and that's the same instance because it's the singleton. And to demo the feature, if you download the CSV, then there will be some files there. So there's the stats.csv, which holds the stats for all of the entities. And there's the summary stats, which holds like the total cumulative stats for all the entities. And stats has the per entity and per update statistics. So just different levels of depth. So yeah, this is the for every update there's a statistic, and for the summary statistics there's just the cumulative for every entity that was tracked. How did they end? Thank you.